Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 2-bedroom, 1-bath manufactured home at lot H-16 in Carteret Mobile Park. Carteret Mobile Park is a land lease community based in Carteret, New Jersey. So this is a beautiful pre-owned home that we're selling. Take a look on the outside first. You've got a lawn on this side, some stone in the front, and then on this side there's some more grass. The house comes with that shed there. There's outside water and electric hookup. Now we'll take a look inside. So when you walk in through this door, you come right into the kitchen. The other door that we saw on the other side enters you right into the living room. Here we have the living room. You've got this nice peaked ceiling here. And that goes throughout the length of the house. There's laminate flooring throughout. Here is the kitchen. These are all new appliances, all stainless steel. Take a look into the refrigerator. You've got your freezer on top and refrigerator on bottom. Got wood cabinets throughout. And there is adjustable shelving in them as well. This is your microwave here. And that is right above your stove oven combination. This is a gas stove and you've got 5 burners there. That really nice middle one that's super long for a longer griddle or something. Here is your dishwasher. And we've got a laminate countertop here. And this window right above the sink. This is a thermal pane window, which is energy efficient. Here is the furnace. This is a Coleman furnace, and it's responsible for the forced hot air and central air conditioning in this house. This is your laundry area, so you can have side-by-side washer and dryer there. And right across from that is your bathroom. Got these lights right above the mirror here. Sink, toilet, and bathtub here. Here we'll take a look at the first bedroom. You can see your shed right outside. And behind this door here is your closet. You've got 2 wire racks pre-installed. And we also have 2 screen doors in here if you wanted to replace your glass storm doors with the screen doors. Right behind the door here, you have your electrical panel. Now, this is just like a regular house. It's 100 amps and everything is already pre-labeled in there for you. Now we'll take a look at the other side of the house. Here you can see what I believe is technically your front door. And this is the thermostat here. And this is your second bedroom. Right across here, you can see this is your closet. And there is a pre-installed wire rack here as well. Now, if you're interested in this home, please go to www.myhomeincarteret.com. There you can fill out pre-qualifying questions, which will get you started on the path to owning your dream home. Thank you.
This house was built by Dolan Homes. Dolan Homes has been building homes in New Jersey in our 3 communities since 1954. These are Robert Dolan here is the managing partner, and you also have Xander Dolan and Patrick and myself. It's a small family business. We build manufactured homes in our 3 mobile home communities. So it's Carteret Mobile Park, Edison Mobile Estates, and Harbor Crossings. We have a fabulous crew. They've been with us a very long time, and they put these houses together very quickly. Conception and Raul are the main crew. Here's Conception. Here's Raul. We're 4 generations. The first generation has now passed, and then Robert and myself are the 2nd generation, and then our nephew and our son are the 3rd generation, and then our grandson and grandnephew are our 4th generation. We have lots of advantages to owning your own house in Carteret, New Jersey. Carteret Mobile Park is located right near the turnpike, and on the other side is Route 9 and Route 1. We're very conveniently located. You could be in Manhattan in 25 minutes. You could take the train into from Rahway into New York City. We're a land lease community, so we provide that in emails when people contact us and answer our pre-qualifying questions. So this is our address, 1501 Roosevelt Avenue, Carteret, New Jersey, and this is our the original farmhouse in the front of the old farm, which was converted into a mobile home park. Our entrance is on Blair Road. We see everyone by appointment only. So once you make an appointment, you'll follow the signs to reach the office. You come in on this side street. This is our maintenance building, not our office. And I have signs on it to let people know. And there's little banners on the light poles to tell people how to get to the office. There's plenty of signs to show the way. This is the back part of the maintenance building, and I have a little sign there that shows that this is not the office. This is the maintenance building. So we have beautiful homes. Here's a whole series of them. It's very quiet. It's very safe. We're very proud of the beautiful homes that we build. Here's a gorgeous house, just a 1-bedroom. Here's another house. I believe that's also a 1-bedroom. This one's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This is a beautiful flowers in some of the tenants' homes. It just looks so pretty. Everyone takes care of their places, and it's just a delight to be here, and all the residents love it. We're really honored to be a part of making the American dream of home ownership a possibility. This was a beautiful story where this gentleman bought this house and found the American flag in the shed, and it was a very moving moment for all of us because he had just migrated from Cuba. So we get a lot of immigrants coming to us as their first home ownership, and it's such a pleasure to help them. Or downsizing or upsizing. We have all sorts of people in our community. So come join us, myhomeincarteret.com.